In the heart of a dense, dark forest, there lived a rare queen termite named Queen Tilara. She was not large like the elephant, swift like the cheetah, or grand like the lion. Yet, she held a secret that was far more valuable than any crown or treasure. Queen Tilara was the oldest living creature in the forest. Animals often wondered how she managed to live for so long. They would gather around her mound, asking, "Queen Tilara, what is your secret to a long lifespan?" One day, little Squirrel, the smallest and most curious of the animals, decided to find out. He climbed the tallest tree and peered into Queen Tilara's mound. To his surprise, he saw Queen Tilara working diligently, collecting food, caring for her colony, and always sharing with others. Little Squirrel observed for several days. He saw Queen Tilara's dedication, her hard work, and her kindness. He realized that Queen Tilara's long life was not a secret, but a result of her selfless actions. Little Squirrel returned to the animals and shared his findings. "Friends," he said, "I have discovered Queen Tilara's secret to a long lifespan. It's not a magical potion or a hidden treasure. It's simply this: dedicate yourself to hard work, be kind to others, and always share what you have." The animals listened in awe. They realized that the secret to a long lifespan was not about their size or strength, but about their actions and their hearts. They decided to follow Queen Tilara's example, working hard, being kind, and sharing with others. From that day forward, the forest was filled with harmony and prosperity. The animals lived longer, healthier lives, and they all knew it was because they had learned Queen Tilara's secret. And so, the moral of the story is this: a long lifespan is not a mystery, but a result of hard work, kindness, and sharing. Remember this, and you too can live a life as long as Queen Tilara.